What if I told you can buy stocks and ETFs and trade specific stocks online without using the big names like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Robinhood or E-Trade? An app called Webull or Moomoo. So we'll look at both applications, see which one will work for best for you. So in this video, we'll look at the pros and cons for both and decide which one will work best for you. So if you haven't read this, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. All right, so I got this from Binzanga Finance article online written by Sarah Horvath in 2001. I think it's still relevant. It compares Moomoo versus Webull. So we're gonna look at the pros and cons for both. So Moomoo is mostly based in China, and Webull is mostly based in United States. So best for conscious traders, you want to use Moomoo. Somebody who has advanced trading, also you want to use Moomoo because it kind of looks at international stocks and options. And Webull, you're looking at active traders national level, which is the United States. So pros, there's access to trading at 4 a.m., no minimum deposit to open an account, no account maintenance fee for Webull, and no charges to open and maintain an account. So it has some deep analysis, proprietary trading analysis, which is offered on Webull. And then the cons to Moomoo, it is based overseas, so there's no chat support. And then Webull has some chat support, but it doesn't support mutual fund, bond, OTC, over-the-counter stocks that's aren't available in the United States, but you're gonna have to buy it from a brokerage. Both Moomoo and Webull charges variable margin rate for short selling. So what short selling is, you're trading or borrowing shares from a broker and immediately selling it for the expectation that the share will go up in price. Link in the description below from their wallet what short selling is. So here's a snapshot of what doc page looks like on mobile device. It has some deep analysis trading tool that implemented in their system. It kind of gives you real-time paid options of most brokers. This data gives you like real-time bid access to any of these stock options. We spoke about earlier about supports. Webull does offer customer support via two ways, which is via telephone 24/7 or via email. Comparatively, Moomoo currently only offers one method of contact support, is by email. In addition, Moomoo is different from Webull because it offers crypto trading because it is an internationally traded company. So that's a perk for as far as Moomoo. So side note though, if you do start to hold up to $25,000, you'll be flagged as a pattern day trader. Maybe good for some of you if you're into that, but I am not a day trader by any means. All right, here's another one from Finance Buzz, appended finance article written online. This is from Lance Cawthorn. He wrote this article here. Moomoo is a fintech under FUTU Inc., the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission, as a member of Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. And Webull is part of the Securities Exchange Commission membership. It's both companies were incepted in 2017, 2018, respectively. Webull is mostly based in the United States. So Moomoo, you're gonna need a $2,000 minimum investment to make any kind of trades. You can buy stocks, but you can't trade unless you have a minimum $2,000. Webull has $2,000 margin accounts, none for brokerage accounts. And asset classes you can buy from with Moomoo is American depository recipients, which are negotiable securities issued by a bank. Represent shares in U.S. companies. And then for Webull, you got stock options, ETFs, cryptocurrency, and same thing, ADRs. Moomoo and Webull, they both have margin accounts, brokerage accounts, and Roth IRAs, individual retirement accounts, traditional rollover accounts. So what a margin account is a type of brokerage account which the broker and the deal lends the investor cash using the account as collateral to purchase securities. That's what a margin account is. So features include commission-free trading for both Webull and Moomoo. You got the level 2 market deep analysis. So what is Moomoo's level 2 data analysis include? So it's usually free for the first few months, but you're gonna have to pay for it. But what it includes is proprietary technology trading, which includes insight to asset prices, trading volumes, available offers in the market. So basically it looks at different factors that play into stock prices. The last one is from investing in the web. I'll leave the link in the description below from Franklin De Silva. Recently added this article on August 30th, 2023. So, Moomoo versus Webull. Pros and cons for each. Moomoo has the 0% commission trading, easy, fast account opening. Webull allows you to sign up for a couple months, see what's right for you, and just unsign if you don't feel it's a good fit for you. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. This channel is all about personal finance, cost savings. Today we're talking about personal finance as far as investing using fintech or financial technology, buy specific stock, trade, and then we looked at both Webull and Moomoo through your mobile phone, a friendly application which we decided to go with Webull for my sake. It may be different for you, but let me know in the comment below if you're going to go with Moomoo. So I enjoyed giving this kind of content to you. I'll see you next video.